Right, I'm just going to talk you through the light, what I've bought, or what I've got, for Buzzy's dog bathing station. Now, I do have a relationship with some of the products and services in the video description below, and if you shop through those, I will earn a referral fee at no extra cost to you. Thank you. So, what I've done, I already had this light in the dog grooming salon, which I put up myself when the lights were not working in there. And it's a plug-in LED. This is a 4-foot light. And what I've done is just put some hooks either side and a chain to hold the light up. And then the plug comes down. But what I bought is this plug socket, battery powered plug socket. What I actually wanted was a solar powered single plug socket, but that's fine. You buy the yellow bit on it separate to the battery, and if you buy the same make as the plug socket, the batteries are 80 quid. So what I've done is bought a 2-pack of batteries and the charger from Amazon for about £41, and that should be about £55 and was on offer for £38. So basically what it's going to do is power the light so I can see when I'm bathing the dog. It may seem a bit obsessive, but I bath the dog every day through the winter, and I still bath the dog quite often, and I can see. But this is only to a maximum of what's plugged in of 150 watts. I have here my All Powers solar power generator kit. So I've got 2 solar panels which I can plug in and get free electric from. And what I'm going to do is plug the light in here, and you can see I think the light only uses 35 watts. Right, I'll put the light on, and you'll see with my All Powers solar power generator kit, which I'll put a link below to, the output is only 35 watts on that LED light, and the plug thing, this plug, is 150 watts max. Now dog blaster, dog dryer, I can run off this on half power, a 2000 watt dog blaster on half power, and if you turn the heat down it uses less power again, but it does eat a lot of the electric off this. But you wouldn't be able to run one off this because it's only 150 watts maximum output. So I hope that made sense, but basically that's what I've done to power my light, what I already had. I'm trying to get that photography studio set up, and I've ripped everything out and I was left with a light, and I thought I know exactly what that would be good for in here. And basically it's cost me about 80 quid to buy that. So I've not got to carry the solar power generator or this power pack in. That's dead handy. It's even got a phone holder. Put my phone on there for when I'm doing my videos as well, which will actually work quite well. So if you've seen when I'm bathing the dog, I have this little tripod balancing on this little shelf, and it sometimes falls off. And I've got a big bucket of water I have here with the camping shower, so that is going to work so much better. I've got a light. I did want a new shed, but this is actually fine. It works, and by not buying a shed I can buy little extras like this so I can see. I'd rather have a shed I can see in. That's it really. That's the light. But yeah, 35 watts is all what comes out of that. The other night I was painting, just giving it another coat of paint. I think it lasted probably about half an hour. One battery charged up with the light. Again, also, would also power, I don't know if you've seen the diesel heater I've got. That only takes about 93 watts. I know all this because I'm using this All Powers solar power generator thing. What tells me how much appliances use. So I'll be able to put this in the shed in the winter to warm the shed up for Buzzy to have his bath with the diesel heater, just using a little plug. Alright, so it will be handy. There's also a light on it. And again, I only need the diesel heater in here about 5 minutes and the shed's red hot. So I've got it all sorted, haven't I, really? But yeah, that's the light. And that's the plug. But it is worth looking at a solar power single plug. All Powers do a really small solar powered again mini generator with 2 plugs. But I thought, honestly, that was £38 all in. And it's cost me more money, but it's going to be fine because it's so much easier to move about. I don't leave it in here. And that's it. Links below to everything, but that's it with the light.